Hello, welcome to the channel. Just bear with me while I find my neutral. Yeah, here we are. My name is Onyx and I live here in Yorkshire in the UK. I've been riding for the last 6 years and recently I purchased this BMW S1000R. A truly incredible machine, and it comes with a stock Akrapovic exhaust from the factory. Now, I was really interested in the slip-on and I decided to purchase a slip-on from a company called Mivv, Mk3. And here's a clip of what it sounds with a stock exhaust and a slip-on. Final thoughts on the Mk3 exhaust from Mivv. To be honest, the sound hasn't really changed much. The tone has definitely become deeper and it does sound angrier, but the volume levels are about the same as they are on the stock exhaust. So if you're looking for something a lot louder than the stock, then you will need to change the full system or get rid of the cat by changing downpipes. Thank you for watching and hopefully see you at the channel again.